What is cracking, lacking, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a quick video. And you see here we have the Huawei Mate SE. Now, I'm not using a tripod here. I don't have a tripod set up, but I do got this new device that says some new content was coming to the channel, and I never got a chance to actually use this phone. So we got it here in front of me. By the way, I'm shooting this video with the Moto G6, 60 frames per second. Let me know what you think of the quality. 64 gigabytes of ROM and 4 gigabytes of RAM. This is the first to me. I thought it was 32 and 3, but it's actually 64 and 4, which I can't complain about. So yeah, I'm excited to get this one. Now, I'm not sure the color. Oh, it's gray. It's a gray one. See it? I'm rocking simple mobile, y'all. So there's the phone itself. Look at this. I'm not even sure when the last time I seen this video on this phone here, but you get a case in the box, which is beautiful because I'm about to be putting that bad boy to use immediately. God damn it, it's micro USB. That sucks. I wanted Type C. I think it has quick charge as well. It's a fingerprint scanner in the back. So there's a flash at the top of the phone. Get a noise canceling mic. Let me get first impressions here how it feels. Feels pretty premium. The screen itself is, and I'm sorry y'all, I don't know all the specs on it. I really don't know all the specs on it here, but I believe it's a 16 and a 2 in the back. I'm not sure, but let me go ahead and get this bad boy powered on, and I'll be right back. So we go getting the phone powered on now. Like I say, I'm pretty excited because I haven't had this phone yet. I know this is an old phone here per se, and I know the updated version is coming out pretty soon or being announced within the coming months, but my first time having this here. I'm excited. It looks good, yo. So it's aluminum alloy. Its colors are golden gray. I got the gray version, obviously. It's unlocked, as we know that. Has a micro SD card slot for expansion of the memory. It's IPS for the screen. It's 5.93 inches, which is pretty big. 77.26% screen to body ratio. It's 1080p, 407 pixels per inch. Display features, multi-touch, capacitive, stuff like that. We all know that. The camera in the back is 16, and I think the other one is a 2. And the secondary camera is 8 megapixels. Video playback, blase, 3.5mm headphone jack. Has Android Nougat and it's upgradable to Android Oreo. Has the Kirin 659. It's an octa-core CPU. The GPU is the Mali T830, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage. So yeah, pretty dope. But yeah guys, I got the phone a little bit, situated here. I got some of my information in it, not all the way set up, but first impressions, I'm loving the way the camera looks on the phone. It's actually really nice. Fingerprint scanner is it's pretty fast. As soon as I tap it, it unlocks. Does a fingerprint scanner. But yeah, the camera so far is really good. I like it so far. I gotta test it out obviously in the camera test video. It's an 18:9 aspect ratio screen, and it's like all boxy on the corners, which is no big deal, but something to point out there. 16 and 2 in the back. It does have the portrait mode, so you can get some portrait shots with this phone here. Loving the screen size. I think I'm gonna end up liking this phone here, y'all. So let me know in the comment section what you want to see with this particular phone here. And once again, I'm sorry about the way the video looks here. It's just I don't have anything set up in my room right now. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the actual video in the comment section below. Be sure to like the video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted in the future, you'll be notified of it immediately. But until then, my name is Max the Rock. I want to say thank you for watching the video, and you have a good day. Deuces.